Hey everyone, and thank you for joining again. In this video I will show you this beautiful woven or braided single crochet stitch here. This is how it looks like. And I regularly use it in my handbags like this one here, because it's super easy to make. It's a very fast stitch and it generates this super nice look. As usual, we start with our slip knot. Then we chain in an even number, like this. So this is an even number. Then we start in the second chain from the hook and go back all the way with single crochet. At the end of the row, chain one, turn around, and again go back with single crochet. At the end of row 2, we again chain 1, turn around, and now we start our pattern. Every row starts with a single crochet, and now you poke in right below this single crochet, right below it. Grab the yarn, pull it up to the edge, and close the stitch. Then make a single crochet again. Now again, poke in right below this single crochet here. This is the loop we need. Then again, single crochet. And for the next stitch, again, poke in right below this single crochet. This is how our first pattern row looks like. Front side and back side. And again, at the end of the row, chain 1, turn around, and now we do exactly the same like in the previous row. You make a single crochet and then poke in right below the single crochet. then single crochet in the single crochet of the previous row, then poke in right below it. And by placing the single crochets where we poke in the previous row, by placing these stitches above each other, you can see that you generate this woven or braided look of the pattern. And that's it. This is how you make the braided or woven single crochet. I hope you like the pattern. If yes, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.